Hey guys, welcome back. We are on our last section of this particular Lattafa Pride gift set, sample set, whatever you want to describe it as. And it's the one that I'm honestly looking forward to the least. This is Brioche Vanille or Brioche Vanille. Looks like that if you want to see it up close. It's got like bread in like a jar with some wood. The notes are interesting, primarily the top notes. So let's go ahead and start talking about it. The top notes are brioche, bergamot, and freesia. Middle notes of balsam, fir, and heliotrope. Then base notes of vanilla, benzoin, and praline. The weird note in there is the brioche, which, given the name of it, makes sense. Brioche is just buttery bread. That's all brioche really is. So you got to make it smell like bread. And the problem is, what makes bread smell so good when it's like baking? I just don't see that smelling good on skin. Like there's like a certain amount of like vanilla in cooking smells good, but just the notion of bread baking to me, I don't know what it's gonna do. But the way we do on this channel, we spray on paper and we spray on skin. The paper is a good analog for spraying on clothing. It tends to lend itself to longer longevity, so it performs for longer but doesn't project as hard. Skin, obviously, your pulse points project harder because the fragrance oils will evaporate more quickly. These little sample sets, about every 2 sprays is kind of like a standard single spray from a full-size bottle. So I usually do 4 sprays on paper and 4 sprays on skin, just to kind of get things going. So let's go ahead and do the sprays. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm getting a lot of heliotrope already. I can smell that powdery, like really, really powdery floral. And I can smell the bread. It doesn't smell bad, but I don't want to smell like this. Like, I could almost see this being like a room spray. Because it does smell, the heliotrope, at least on paper, it gives it like a clean thing going on. You get a little bit of bergamot. The heliotrope makes it kind of powdery and super floral. And the way the bread comes off, it's not like cake. It kind of smells like it's not like fresh baked bread, really. It's more like a really dry bread that's being toasted almost. Almost like you're trying to make croutons. It's that kind of smell. It's not like fresh baked bread, which is also very like aromatic-y and like fills the room up with whatever you're cooking it with. It's kind of yeasty, if that makes sense. Maybe a little bit yeasty in there. Again, not a smell that I want to have on me, but you know, if I walked into a room and it smelled like that, I'd be like, oh, it smells kind of nice and pleasant, but this doesn't smell good on a person to me. Let's go ahead and do skin. We'll do 3. I'm not going to do 4 because I might have to wipe this off later. All right, let it flash for just about 10 seconds or so. And see if we can get a different result on skin. I'm sorry if I'm biased. I just don't have high hopes for this based on this note breakdown. Maybe the dry down will be kind of where it's at. And the way this review works is I will blip out of existence. I'll wear it for a day. Might be wearing it in private for a day. And then I'll come back and explain things like projection, longevity, what you can expect from it as far as performance goes. Yeah, no, on skin, still a lot of heliotrope and a whole lot of like just a weird yeasty bready vibe. So I guess they got it right. It smells like bread, but it's also kind of like, but not in a way that like people are gonna want to smell. I don't get it. I don't know who this is for. It's super unique. It's very different, but it's just who is it? I don't know who this is for. It's got something aromatic going on in there that's not just mentioned in the notes. There's something else added on to it that I can't quite place. But again, that bready heliotrope is all I'm getting out of this. And I'm not a big fan of it. That being said, if I were to walk into a room and it smelled like this, I'd be like, oh, it's a nice room spray, or someone is making bread and they got a candle going. But I don't want to smell this on my skin just based on these opening notes I'm experiencing. I'll see what the dry down's like. I'll be patient with it, but I'll be right back and explain that. So it's a blip in time for you guys, a full day for me, or probably a few days for me, and I'll come and talk about longevity, projection, and is this thing worthwhile over time. And the notes break down and become better with the dry down. So be right back. Alright guys, welcome, and I hope my shirt's not so loud that it screws up the autofocus on this. This is Brioche Vanille from Lattafa's little gift set here, and yeah, so it's not great. I tried giving it a fair chance. It has that yeasty, bready vibe that isn't bad in and of itself, but like, I don't know who this is for. The dry down is actually kind of nice. It's got a little bit of vanilla in the dry down, kind of woody, it's pleasant, but it's like you got to work your way there through a kind of unpleasant opening, and that, to me, that's silly. And I don't want to say it's a bad fragrance, except to say that I don't have any use case for this, where I'm like, okay, this kind of person would wear this in this situation. Like, that's kind of how I always approach fragrances that I don't really vibe with. I say, okay, who is this for? It's not me, I'm not the intended audience, and that's okay, but who is? And yeah, I couldn't think of anything, because like, who wants to smell like yeast rolls mixed with some other stuff? Like, the only people that are gonna want that are people who are like imagine this is like a room spray. Well, the only place that's gonna want to smell like a bakery as a room spray would be like a bakery, and they already smell like a bakery, so they don't need the room spray. So I don't know who this is really for. I don't see this as a pleasant, like even winter fragrance, because again, it's that yeasty, bready smell that on food you're like, oh, that's going to be delicious with some butter, but on people, it's not an appetizing gourmand. It's like, it's clearly be in the gourmand category because it's meant to smell like food, but it's not appetizing when you think about a person smelling this way. So I don't know what they were going for. I don't want to be discouraging and be overly critical, but I just don't have anything really constructive to say about this, and it's because of that opening. And I don't know if maybe they should have gone with something a little sweeter in the opening, kind of like maybe like a sweet, maybe more like cinnamon roll, add some, do something else that's not just the smell of a yeast roll cooking plus some vanilla in the base. It just doesn't do it for me, and I can't think of the use case for this unless they're just someone who just in particular vibes with this particular fragrance. It's unique, it's different, it's awesome that they made it, in my opinion. It's just, I just don't know who it's for. I can't figure that out. I'm not smart enough, so that's okay. As far as projection, it projects pretty loudly for about an hour, and then it kind of fades down. You can smell it on your skin 6 to 8 hours later. It's not super heavy after that like yeast smell goes away. You get like a nice woody kind of vanilla base. It's nothing to write home about, but it's not done badly. It's done well, but it's just you gotta do a lot of work getting through that yeasty bread smell. Then you get the good stuff, and that's not what, to me, that's not what fragrance is about. It's not, unless you're doing that like Toscavat fragrance as art stuff, which I'm not really into at this point in my life. Like, I don't get it. I appreciate that they did it, but I personally just don't get it. And that's the end of my review, guys. Sorry, it's not positive, but they're not always gonna be positive. But what is positive is I love the way that Lattafa is doing this Pride series. I hope they do this with like all their series, and every time they come out with like another like 5-10 fragrances, they put a new one of these out, because I do love this way to merchandise and try fragrances, especially for folks who don't have access like easily to the ability to sample in the real world. Like if you're in a rural area, it's really awesome. But yeah, that's Brioche Vanille in a nutshell. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. I will answer them to the best of my ability. And thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.